Introducing the next evolution of Litter-Robot. This is Litter-Robot EVO, the most streamlined way to never scoop again. The award-winning self-cleaning technology of Litter-Robot is now sleeker, smaller, and here to simplify your life. Whether you're studio living or just looking for a discreet space to tuck your cat's bathroom, EVO can fit there, and there, and there. Oh, and also there. With a clean, compact design suited for just about anywhere. Once your cat steps out, the cleaning cycle automatically begins. As the globe rotates, Litter-Robot's patented QuietSift process separates dirty clumps from clean litter and deposits them into an odor-sealed drawer that's efficiently designed to fit more, for less emptying, less often, as little as once a week with one cat. When the cycle's complete, all that's left behind is a fresh bed of litter, ready for the next visit. Litter-Robot EVO is perfect for smaller cat families, accommodating one cat or two, from kittens to adults. And you can keep track of them with the Whisker app, where you'll get real-time updates like visit frequency, robot status, and more. And with Whisker Plus, you can unlock even more smart insights, so you'll know when your cat's routine is normal and, more importantly, when it's not. Litter-Robot EVO features a new LCD display with brilliant full-color graphics for real-time updates and easy onboarding. Litter-Robot EVO, big things in a little package. Whisker, welcome to the future of pet parenting.